Jewish settlers storm Hebron's Ibrahimi Mosque. Ibrahimi Mosque revered by both Muslim and Jews. Palestinian dies of his wounds in Gaza. At least 35 Palestinians, including 8 children, killed in recent Israeli attacks. Hamas chief decries US reversal on Israeli settlements. US said it no longer views Israeli settlements as illegal per se. 40 years in jail, Palestinian prisoners' family still hopeful. Family of Nail Barghouti, longest serving Palestinian prisoner. Russian attacks kill 5 civilians in Syria's Idlib. Attacks continue in de-escalation zone in northwestern Syria, violating terms of ceasefire. GCC will never advocate regime change in Iran. Bahrain sought diplomatic relations in Tehran in 2016. Iranian cut off from world following internet shutdown. Internet inaccessible to country's 81 million people, many of whom have relatives and friends studying or working abroad. Sudan, 500,000 still in need of humanitarian aid. Sudan hit by heavy floods, claiming at least 70 lives in early August. Pregnant Muslim woman attacked in Australia. 43-year-old attacker punched woman 14 times after racist slurs. Taliban released 10 Afghan soldiers from captive. Duped as goodwill gesture moves follows. Successful prisoner swap of 2 foreign teachers with 3 Taliban commanders. ICC prosecutor, judges accept basis of Rohingya probe. Sources indicate involvement of Myanmar government forces and state agent in crimes against Rohingya, says statement. India claims all restrictions lifted from Kashmir. No one killed in disputed regions since Indian government lifted special provisions unilaterally. Government tells top court.